way you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one.
Hey, thanks for coming to check out another hair review. So this one is from Amazon. This is a ponytail up and down, half up, half down look. This one is by Sensational. I did get it off of Amazon, and it's very affordable on Amazon. On Amazon, it's like $23, I believe. I will link it down below, and I'll link it in the comments as well, so you can check out this you know, ponytail wig look for yourself. I got it in the color number 2, which is the dark brown shade, but it is available in several different colors: jet black, off black. Now, of course, depending on what color you get will depend on the price. You know, Amazon like to switch up the price based off of how popular the color is. So you already know 1B in black is going to be a little more than, you know, the color number 2. I typically like to wear a color number 4, so I'm not sure if I got a 2 or a 4 in this one, but I'll double check that and leave it in the comments as well. To go ahead and get this look together, it was so fast, so easy. My hair was already blown out. I had it braided for another style that I did, so I just took my braids out and just separated the front of my hair and the back of my hair. I went ahead and just grabbed my Stasha Shine and Jam Edge Control. That's my favorite edge control for slicking up my hair in a quick style. Sometimes I'll use more hairspray if I know I'll be wearing the style for a couple days, but I knew I will only be wearing this style for the day, and I wanted to wash my hair. This is a great style if your hair is a little bit dirty because you're going to be adding so much product. The only thing you're going to want to do after this is just wash all this gel out your hair. So I went ahead and separated the back of my hair at the top, added a rubber band to that, and then combined that to another section that I separated because my hair is really thick in the back and I didn't feel like doing cornrows. This is a good hack if you don't feel like cornrowing your hair, but you do need it kind of like laid down. So I grabbed another rubber band and combined the top ponytail into this ponytail, and then I grabbed all of the section at the bottom and the ponytail and put it in another ponytail holder, braided that down, and bobby pinned that down. So now that the foundation of the look is done, I grabbed my Amazon hot comb. This is an electric hot comb. I love this one from Amazon. It's pink. I love it. It's like a little Barbie one. But it gets very hot, so be careful. Do not let this pink color fool you. This joint gets hot and will burn you. So I just straightened my baby hairs and I went back with a little bit of my GLEEmade edge control. This edge control is perfect for baby hairs. I don't like to use it for the full-blown ponytail, but I love to use it for the baby hairs. It's like the perfect consistency for that. So I went ahead, grabbed that, applied a little bit of it just to the top because you don't want to apply too much because as you start combing it through, it does apply through, so you don't want to do too much. So I just applied that onto the baby hairs and styled them the way that I wanted them. So I went ahead and added a little bit of hairspray to the ponytail and especially to the baby hairs to make them lay down, and added just a hair scarf. That hairspray is available on Amazon. It's like a herbal infused hairspray, so I really like it because it's not as harsh. Then I went ahead and opened the pack for the hair. Like I said, this is the up and down look from Sensational. So you're going to get two pieces of hair. The first piece is going to be your ponytail piece, and the second piece is going to be a half wig that goes on the back of your head. So the ponytail piece, you want to just stick it onto your hair. There's a little comb into it. So you just stick the comb into the base of the ponytail, and then you grab the wraparound part and just start wrapping that around your ponytail. Very simple. And then you're just going to use a little bit of hairspray and a bobby pin to just fasten it in place. And that's how easy it is to apply the ponytail. Like I said, this style can be done in probably 10 minutes. It's pretty fast. So I did check, and I did get this in the color number 4. So you can see my hair is a lot darker. So I took my braided ponytail piece and just bobby pinned that down so it wouldn't be calling so much of attention to itself, like a darker color and kind of poking out of the curls. So that's also a hack if you don't want to like put your hair into a bun underneath it. You can just bobby pin your own hair down to the back and then just place the half wig right over top of your braided ponytail, and that will secure it down and ensure that it won't, you know, be involved in the style once it's done. So you grab your half wig, you're gonna just use the combs in it, comb it right into your own hair and fluff it out, and you're pretty much done with the style. That's literally the end of the look. It's so easy to do. Once you fasten it, you're gonna want to tighten the drawstring. It does have a drawstring on the half wig. Just tighten that so that it's, you know, secure on your head, and then just tuck in that string so it's not showing, and you're pretty much good to go. That's the end of the style. I love these half up, half down looks. They're so easy to achieve, so cute, and just a really simple, fast style that looks really good. It can be very elegant if you dress it up. It can be very casual if you dress it down with like jeans and sneakers. I love it. I'll leave links down below to where you can grab this hair on Amazon, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to do one thing for me: share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a hair lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.